AJ and Bubbles playing in the bathtub again. Yep. Here we go. Oh, Bubbles needs to clean herself. Let's see. Oh, she's cleaning herself in the bathtub. And here's AJ, her brother. They look like twins. And now they're fighting. Now they're fighting. Oh, no.
Clean each other.
I wonder if we turn on the shower, what will happen? Okay, we turned on the water. Ooh, you're not doing nothing. It's not getting wet.
Maybe we move one towards it.
I don't think the cats like water.